welcome back to our channel. So today what we're going to show you is how to install a bidet. So ever since we moved to Canada, we have seen that the North American houses that we live in don't have bidets or somewhere to wash. You have to use toilet paper, which is not used in many other parts of the world because it's not considered very hygienic. So we always install our own bidets by ourselves. We don't call a plumber. It's a very easy process. So today we're going to show you how you can install it just using the bidet and just a wrench. So let's begin.
So we'll be installing a handheld bidet today. So this is the bidet which we got from Home Depot. It has a button and then gets attached to the existing plumbing of the toilet. The very first thing we need to do is shut off the inlet and use an old rag. Just keep it here because the water will come down. So once we turn it, just flush and let the water come out. So the tank is empty now, it's not getting refilled because I just shut off the valve. And there is a cap here. Just turn it, just opens up. And once you open it, you'll see some droplets of water coming down. That's why an old rag is required, so that it doesn't get messy. Okay, we'll leave it for now. So in this handheld bidet, what we have is, we have a pipe, we have this adapter. This is a mounting plastic which will come on the side. So this mount will, the bidet will get attached. It will hang like this on the side, and this is the actual bidet. So this is how the handheld bidet looks like. These are the parts of the bidet which needs to get installed, except the plastic tab which we have to hang the bidet. The fancy end of the pipe will go into the washer is already in there, so it will go into the bidet. You just need to hand tighten it, and if you decide to tighten it with a wrench, make sure that you cover it with a rag and then tighten, otherwise there will be all scratches on this part of the pipe. Other end of the pipe will go into the side of this connector right here, and yes, this will be tightened with the wrench. So just tighten as much as you can with your hand, and then this is an adjustable wrench and whatever. So it's fully tightened now. This is the pipe which is coming from the inlet pipe basically, which will also fill the tank, as well as we have the control for the bidet. This end, this already has a washer. Very simple, you just need to bend down and make sure that the grooves are aligned. It takes a couple of tries because you need to make sure it's going in straight so that there is no leakage. Yeah, so this is perfect now. We remove the lid of the toilet. Now using the wrench, we'll just tighten the bottom part and keep an eye on the top attachment, that it doesn't have to move. As soon as it starts moving, we'll have to stop and not over tighten it. Yeah, so it's fully tight, and the last part is to
install the inlet pipe. Just need to bend it and make sure it's fully straight, and yeah, so if it is straight it just goes on easily. Just tighten, hand tighten. Okay,
This is done. We need to install the bidet holder, the big part of the bidet. So this is the big side and this is the small side. This will go inside, this part will go inside the toilet tank. We need to just hand tighten this using the provided screws. Just drop the screws here. And there is a nut provided, and using a screwdriver you just have to tighten this. Same for the other set of screw. The bidet holder is fixed. You can just push it inside the toilet tank, and let's just check it out before we put in toilet lid for any leaks. We turn on the nozzle and the toilet has started filling up, and right now I don't see any leakage. These are the droplets when we removed the toilet inlet. Right now the bidet is not working because the inlet is closed. There is a small valve over here. If you just press it down, now bidet, so the water start coming into the bidet, and we can control the pressure of the bidet if you just turn the knob a little and then it becomes low, or you can increase the pressure if it is fully turned 90 degrees. You hang the bidet like this. Lastly, put the toilet back on. Yeah. And it's all done.
Did you see how easy it was to install the bidet by yourself? Hope you enjoyed this video and it was useful for you. If it was, please subscribe to our channel. We post more such easy and simple DIYs, and you can follow us on Instagram as well. And we will see you next time. Take care. Bye.